Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel to share interesting tips in life. Here, as you can see, my knife is worn. I'd like to share with you today a knife sharpening trick. It's very effective. Let's get started. Take time to understand each step. If you have trouble, leave me a comment. When grinding, prepare a welding rod. Like that. This welding rod is very useful for sharpening knives in this video. What country are you from? Please leave me a comment. It's great when I can talk to people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on the channel subscription button. It's great to see your support. When you've measured and marked on that piece of wood, let's drill where it's been marked. My little tricks. It can help you save money. It's also very simple and effective. When we're done, let's clap the crumbs and plug these welding rods into it. Let's plug it into an X shape like that. Now take the knife you want to sharpen. Add some water and let's start grinding. Sharpen from the base of the knife to the tip of the knife. Real hand sharpening. Let's keep the same speed. The grinding is done. It's also very simple. That's cleaning that knife. Brush the toothpaste on the surface of the blade. Will make the knife more shiny. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Let everyone know about this cat. I wish you success.